Hey everybody, so happy Thanksgiving. First of all, I hope that you guys had a very fun Thanksgiving with your family and friends. And to those that could not be home for Thanksgiving, we want to say happy Thanksgiving and we love you. And we hope that you are having a good Thanksgiving wherever you are. I have just been so off today, but I have been feeling so productive at the same time. Like, I've done laundry, I've tidied up my room a little bit, I'm working on a new hat for myself. I'm just having trouble finding the perfect pattern, and it's like it's kind of like a finer yarn that I'm used to working with. We invented this new thing called Sadie pie. And it's where because like for my piece of pie I cut it, and then when I went to put it on my plate, instead of putting it on a plate like a normal human being, I like put it on a plate where I took it and I flipped it over so that the bottom of the crust was on top. My mom was cracking up and my dad's like, hey, at least it's hers, it's her piece. And then he did it for my mom to imitate what I did. So that's a new family tradition. It's called Sadie pie. But yeah, so I'm gonna go eat some more food and figure stuff out. So I'm working on a homework assignment, and this is just a reflection for the project that I did for my child development class.